Standard 9, Subject Science and Technology. Lesson number 2, Work and Energy. Now let us see what is the work. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes the displacement of the object. Work equals to force into displacement. In the given figure, no work is done because girl is doing the mental work by studying, but there is no physical displacement. Work is done on the ball by the boy because displacement are the takes place in the ball. No work is done because while watching the TV there is no displacement of the girl and TV. No work is done by the man on the sack because by lifting the sack man applied a force on the sack in upward direction and he walk in the forward direction, that is force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Now see, there are different type of the work: positive work, negative work and zero work. In positive work, work done by the force is said to be positive when displacement of an object is in the same direction of the applied force. And negative work, work done by the force is said to be negative when displacement of an object is in the opposite direction of the applied force. And zero work, work done by the force is said to be zero when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other or applied force does not cause any displacement of an object. Now all of you see in the given figure, why does the cup get pulled? The cup gets pulled because nut tied to the other end of the thread attached to the cup applies a force on the cup with the help of thread under action of gravity. So in short we can say that this figure is represent the positive work. Now in this figure, what is the relation between displacement of the cup and the force applied through the ruler? The ruler is applying a force opposite to the direction of displacement of the cup. Hence, ruler does negative work on the cup. Finally, we can say that this diagram represents the negative work. In this given figure, why does not the cup get displaced? In this figure, the nut attached to the cup apply equal and opposite force on the cup. Hence, the net force acting on the cup is 0 and cup does not get displaced. So, this diagram represents the zero work. Now all of you see, let F be the applied force and F1 be its component in the direction of displacement. Let's be the displacement. The amount of work done is given by W equals to F1 and S. The force F is applied in the direction of the string, that is at an angle with the horizontal. Let theta be the angle that the string makes with the horizontal. We can determine the component F1 of this force F, which act in the horizontal direction by means of trigonometry. Cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse and cos theta equals to F upon F. F1 equals to F cos theta. Thus, the work done by F1 is W equals to F cos theta S. W equals to Fs cos theta. Now see the relationship between applied force and displacement. When displacement is in the direction of applied force, then work will be W equals to Fs. And when displacement is in the opposite direction of applied force, then work will be minus Fs. And when force is applied on the object but there is no displacement, in this condition work will be 0. Now see different types of force. There are different type of forces. First one, muscular force, for example lifting of book. And second one, mechanical force, for example drill machine. And gravitational force, for example glass when dropped falls to the floor. And magnetic force, toy magnet sticking to the door of refrigerator, iron nail sticking to a magnet. And now frictional force, for example, rubbing palm against each other, a vehicle stopping when brakes are applied. Now see electrostatic force, for example, small paper bits sticking to plastic comb, hair getting attached to rubber balloons. Thank you.